CerviSense measures objectively the cervical stiffness. Now I'm going to present you the device. This is the CerviSense device. It has a manual handle, a button, a screen. On the top we have a small camera and a pressure sensor. We have the power supply cable and a probe cover. We need a probe cover tool to place the probe cover on the device. And now I'm going to show you how to use this device. Firstly, we need to turn on the device. We press the button. The steps will be displayed on the screen to make a correct measurement. Now we need to place the cover. We take the probe cover, we open it up and we set it at the edge of the tool, the reservoir facing inside. Now we need to put the device inside. We unroll softly the cover. Now it's time to make vacuum. We press the button again. Once the vacuum is reached, we need to calibrate the device. So without touching the tool, we calibrate, pressing the button again. Now we're ready to remove the tool. We need the patient in a lithotomy position. We have to place a speculum so we fully visualized the cervix. The goal is to make the measurement in the anterior lips of the cervix. We gently introduce the device in the vagina. We can see the cervix on the screen. We have to make a light pressure on the anterior lip of the cervix. Once we are in the optimal range of force, we press the button to start the measurement. We've got the first successful measurement. The goal is to obtain 3 different measurements. Once the third measurement is finished, we have now obtained 3 correct measurements. So it displays end measurement. We hold to confirm and we can now remove the device of the vagina. The next step is to remove the speculum and then transfer the data to the computer. To transfer the data, you need to connect the USB to the device and the computer. Open the web browser on the computer. Click on Add Measurements, a button on the top. Enter patient ID twice. Select the trial we're in. It should appear as an option. Wait for the 3 measurements to download automatically from the device. Quantitative assessment of cervical elasticity in a simple, fast exam supports more consistent information for decision-making in obstetrics and gynecology.